Hola mis amores, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today we're going to be unboxing this Boxycharm and I am super excited. So we're also going to be trying everything that's in here on. So let's get to the video. Alright, so let's open the box. And this box is actually the one from October. This is kind of what it looks like, and we're just gonna go through everything. This is actually one from October, and I'm pretty sure this video is gonna come out in November because it kind of came late. So this is the card that it comes with, and everything that it has here, it's on the back of the card. So the first thing is up here. It is Phase Zero, the Necessities eyeshadow palette. Wow, it has like that packaging where you can see like it's reflective. Oh, this is pretty. And it also has a pretty big mirror, which is really nice. But I don't know how much this costs because this is not in the paper. So those are the eyeshadow swatches. And when I was swatching them, they feel very, very smooth and really buttery. Okay, so the next thing we have in here, I'm gonna grab this. So this is the Sun Institute Transport Exfoliating Glycolic Acid Pads. These are $65. I'm not gonna exfoliate my skin right now because my skin is being kind of sensitive lately, and I've been going through breakouts. I really don't want to irritate my skin. So these pads are very thin. The way they feel really, really soft. They have like a citrus medical smell to them. The best way I can describe is like medical. Like, think of a hospital. There's 50 pads in here. So moving on to the next thing we have here. Let's grab the first thing. Oh, so this is the Natasha Denona Cupid Chic Duo. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Wow, that's very nice. This is actually $42. This duo features a lightweight hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter. Wow, this is really pretty. That is beautiful color. And it also has a mirror. The packaging feels really nice, and it's like magnetic. Okay, fancy. The blush is cream. It has like gold specks on it. It's very luminous. But the highlighter, when I swatched it, it feels like a powder when I was, touching it in the pan. But then when I swatched it, it feels like a cream. That was a little bit weird. It threw me off a little bit. That was kind of weird to experience. Alright, so the next thing we have here, so this is the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter. It is $50. It says to use 1-2 pumps before makeup as a primer to brighten skin, even tone, and help reduce appearance of lines. Okay, this is very fancy. Oh my god, look how nice this looks. It looks so pretty. I have never tried anything that has like little beads like this, so I'm very excited to try that. So let's get the next thing. There's actually 2 more things in here. I thought it was only 1 left. So let's get this. This is called Mud Mask. There you go, Mud Mask Sky. So this little Mud Mask Sky here, it's a root fitting hair mask and it retails for $29. Fragrance free hair mask. It is formulated with provitamin B5, flowers, and premium Maracana lava clay. Nourishes hair follicles while sealing and moisturizing with Moroccan argan oil. Too bad we're not gonna be able to try that today, but I'm gonna try and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so the last thing in this box is this. And what is this? This is very sparkly. Look at how nice the packaging is. So cute. So this is the Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. Oh, cool. So this is an eyeshadow. This is really nice. And it says it retails for $20. Let's open this. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. That is really pretty. Look at that. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and let's try this stuff on because it's gonna be fun. Alright, so I'm going to be using the primer that we got in here. And it says to use 1 to 2 pumps, so I'm gonna do 2 pumps. Okay. Oh, there we go. There's 1 and 2. This is what it looks like. So, applying this on my face. Wow, it actually smells really good. It feels nice, like it feels really nice. My face feels a little bit sticky, so that's a good sign. Foundation literally smells so good. This is the side that I put just with foundation on it, and this is the side without foundation. Honestly, I think the foundation looks really nice. My pores don't look huge, and it actually looks smooth. So first impressions actually looks really nice and good. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks good. I mean, I'm gonna have to try a couple more times and see a few more times and see. I am going to be doing my eyes, and so we have 2 eye products here. So we have the palette, and it's so gorgeous, and then we also have the eyeshadow, and I really want to use this eyeshadow. It's so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna start off with this color right here, and I'm going to be putting that color all over my crease. Wow, this is really pigmented. Like that's like literally one dip of my brush. Like, that's crazy. Then I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that under my crease a little bit. Wow, these are super blendable. Like, I'm barely doing anything. Like, I'm barely putting any effort into it, and it's just blending really nicely. Next, I'm gonna be going in with this color right here. I'm just gonna keep it on the outer corners of my eyes. I gotta say, this literally might be one of the best eyeshadows I've ever worked with. This is super easy to blend, and it's super pigmented. Alright, so it's looking pretty good right now, and I want to go ahead and use one of the shimmers. Especially, I really want to use this one. The camera is not really picking up the color. It's like this yellowish color shimmer. It's super pretty, and I really want to use that one. But first, I'm gonna use this one. Oh my god, this dries super fast, and I didn't blend the edges. I'm gonna go in with my finger and try to see if I can add a little bit more to blend the edges. I'm gonna try to put some of that dark color in and see if I can blend it out. Okay, so we're kind of getting somewhere. I didn't know this dries so fast. Okay, so now that we put that shadow down, I'm going to be taking this beautiful color right here, and I'm going to be placing that on the inner corners of my eyes. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that, but wow. Alright, so I'm done with my eye makeup, and this is how it turned out. I think those shadows are very beautiful. Honestly, they blended like a dream. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to our face. So I'm gonna be using the Chic Duo palette that they gave us, and look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. It has like gold specks on the blush. So pretty. It's very light. I'm assuming like this is like a buildable blush. So I'm gonna, wow, it looks really pretty though. It's very light. I'm gonna try to put it on with a beauty blender and see how it will look. It's very subtle, very luminous, and it just kind of gives you like a glow, like a shine with some color. I don't really see a lot of like pigment, like it's not in your face type. I definitely think it will work the best with the no makeup look, but also like if you're trying to go for something natural and something subtle, very natural makeup, casual type look, this is really pretty. Okay, let's try this highlighter because this highlighter is gorgeous. Wow, so pretty. This highlighter, it's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Like, this is so glowy. I am so happy how the makeup turned out. Trying on these products was really fun. The eyeshadow, it's super blendable. It's so buttery. Like, and that cheek duo is so glowy. Like, I don't know what else to say. It's really gorgeous. It was really fun. This was amazing to try on. I can't wait for next month, guys, for November. Actually, probably when you guys are watching this, probably gonna be November already. So stay tuned for the next unboxing on Boxycharm. This is gonna be a series on my channel. I'm gonna be doing this every single month. I'm gonna be opening the box and trying on the products for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like videos like this, make sure you give a follow, like this video, because it really helps. And I'll see you all in the next time. Mwah. Be happy and smile.